So today I've got my buddy here, Coda. He's crying right now. It's okay, Bubba. We are on our way to the beach. We have to take a ferry there. So currently on the ferry, it's a 2-hour ride to Okra Beach and we'll be there really shortly. But I'm doing a girls trip. So we've got some snacks with us today. We're gonna do some charcuterie boards at the beach. We're gonna make some homemade chili at our Airbnb and just have a bunch of snacks along the way. But yeah, super excited for this trip. I can't wait to show you guys the beautiful beach that we're going to. Okay, so we put a pin on the movie. We're gonna go try to catch the sunset before it goes down. Okay, so now that we're done viewing the sunset, we're gonna go out and have some dinner. Yeah? Yep. So that is the end of my beach trip. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Had a great time here with my friend, and I guess we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!